everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, FNGR, TOPS, PEGY, BERI, MSOS, CGRA, AMNL, DKNG, NVIV, and TGGI. But before we get into that, a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational education purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. Remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe bell and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com or click the link in the description to sign up for all of our alerts. Best part is completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, especially if we send out a pre-market alert. This way you get it before email. Sign up with, it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And also in your welcome email, you will get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I discuss in my videos. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Well, tomorrow is Jobs Day. This will be the make or break day for the market. How I am playing it is with options. I bought 380 calls at 68 cents and 365 puts at 64 cents that expire tomorrow. So it's an even money bet. I put the same amount of money into each calls and puts. Either the market is going to tank or it's going to rally. That's my guess. I don't think we're going to have a choppy day. If it's a strong jobs report, it's going to crush the Fed pivot narrative, and we are going to go back down and test the lows. The 52-week low on the SPY is 357, so I think we will go down to 360 if it is a strong jobs report. If it's mixed, could get the chop. If it is weaker than expected, again, that's people are going to say inflation's cooling, labor markets, people losing their jobs, talk about recession. So again, I think that would be bullish for the market, and then we're going to go and test 380. So shall be an interesting day tomorrow. The three that I talked about, 3 penny stocks from the last night's video, FNGR, it's still holding up here. It still hasn't made new lows. So today's low of 657, so we're still holding in here. Like I said, higher lows is the key here. But we shall see how it goes. Volume is dropping off, so that's a sign that the play is dying down. I have scaled back my position, so we shall see what it transpires as over the next few days. Tops, another one. This was a trade. I wouldn't be staying in tops. PEGY, this is one I missed. Was a big runner today, up 64%, but we're seeing weakness in the after hours. Again, this is another play that I think is over. But there are a couple of plays. First up from the weekend, I did the weekend video, was the penny stocks to watch this week. One to talk about, I mentioned here, was BERI, BERY. I told you guys about this one, up 77% today. Fresh new highs here. So not 52-week high yet, but we're getting close. We hit 58 cents. 52-week high is 60 cents. So certainly we get through there, and this one I think can test the dollars. So BERI is continuing to run. So let's watch this one tomorrow and heading into next week. The big news today was from Biden. He's pardoning marijuana possession. He wants to declassify marijuana as a Schedule 1 drug. So they want to reclassification is certainly bullish. That could lead the way to federal legalization. And then also the Safe Banking Act. The way to play it, in my opinion, is MSOS, which is the cannabis ETF. Don't be playing this Canadian dog shit, Tilray, Canopy Growth. It's a U.S. issue. These are Canadian companies. I know they have some deals for, to buy. Canopy has a deal with buy acreage. But right now, I think you want to own the multi-state operators. They all trade on the OTC. TrueLeaf, Curaleaf, Cresco Labs, Green Thumb. But I don't want to buy the individual names because you're then have to focus on that bank, the management team, the micro, the balance sheet, and everything. Just buy the ETF. MSOS was up 34% today. We're trading over 13 in the after hours, and you can see the price action today. Go over here, and then you can see. So this is when Biden, at 3 o'clock, the news announced, got this spike, and then it just climbed all throughout into the close. So again, this was a headline-driven event, and that's one way to MSOS is a great way to play it. And if you look at the chart here, scroll over here. This one's 52-week range, 870 to 3380. This one has just gotten absolutely killed. It's been a bear market in cannabis, and this could be the spark that gets things going. So again, this is Biden's, we got to get legislation through Congress. So that will be the next step. But again, doing this before the midterms, I think it's a smart political move. If you look at most people, they are in favor of declassification and federal legalization of marijuana. So I think this is a very smart political move. Shocked Trump never did it. Republicans, Nancy Mace out of South Carolina, she's been trying to get legislation passed and she's been blocked. Biden came in here with a masterstroke and a very smart political move. But one way to OTC, there's CGRA. This is an OTC or reverse merger play, only a $5.5 million market cap. This is an oil and cannabis play. This was brought to us by $DD King. He's been all over this one on Twitter. The reason to pay attention to him is on AMNL. He came to us on the September 29th when it was just 0.005, ran all the way to 0.02. So that was a 400% move. So when someone's showing us winners and that they can make calls like this, we pay attention to. So shout out goes to $DD King on Twitter. Give him a follow if you aren't already following him. Someone to certainly pay attention to. DraftKings, DKNG, Bloomberg is reporting that Disney's ESPN nears large partnership deal with DraftKings. That is indeed bullish. So again, DraftKings can really pump here, but we got a lot of resistance at 20, but I think this one here is setting up for a good trade on this news. Next up is NVIV. This one was running today. Absolutely no news. Float here of just over 1 million shares. Market cap 6 million. This one here, you can see here, it's a history of low float run. Ran all the way to 14 before correcting. Started, if you look here at the price action today, the 15-minute chart, NVIV. I mean, it was like nothing happening all day, and then about 2:15 it just started, and then it just started hitting scanners. You know, when people see a runner, they all FOMO kicks in, and they all start piling in, and that's what happened in NVIV. Absolutely no news, folks, today, but again, this is a sign that low float runners are back on the NASDAQ. So we're very happy to see this price action. Lastly, guys, condolences out to people in TGGI. They came out, they're doing I think 1 for 1,000 reverse split. Usually when a company does that on the OTC, that means they're going to start the printing press, start diluting again. All I'm going to say is it has a $239 million market cap, 22 billion shares outstanding. Guys, just stay away from these, you know, bloated plays. That's the only advice I can give you. If there is, you know, the company comes out and says something that they're not going to do, it could bounce. Well, it will bounce. But no position, no skin in the game here. I don't know what to tell you guys to do here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am trying to give you guys actionable advice or actionable ideas. Not advice, but actionable ideas that you can then do your own due diligence on. But, you know, right now this is one I'd be staying away from. But if you're in it, you know, maybe might want to look at doubling down. Again, not financial advisor. I highly recommend you talk to one if you're trying to make a decision on what to do in TGGI. But guys, should be interesting day. Well, it will be an interesting day tomorrow with the jobs data. We'll be coming live over the weekend with my penny stock watch list for next week. It's been a big 2 weeks for our subscribers here in FNGR. We nailed in tops. Put out the video yesterday on subscribers now up 743% gains in FNGR so far. So certainly been a big runner, big gains for our subscribers. So very happy for everyone in FNGR. We've been a lot of articles on insiderfinancial.com, so it's all on the homepage. Go ahead and check it out, what we have to say about FNGR. And certainly let's hopefully finish the week strong, and I will do an update again over the weekend, let you know how my options plays trades work out, and we'll go from there. I want to wish everyone good luck on Friday. Let's have a big day. Let's hopefully it's a strong market bounces, and the jobs data is weaker than expected, and we're back. We're over 380. I would really like to see that overall market continue. That the low is possibly in. All right, guys. Have a great day, and I'll be coming live to you over the weekend with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.